Hey girl, hey, what are you doing here? I'm in the shower, get out. No, I'm just playing. Come on, let's jump in the shower, y'all, and let's do a affordable yet effective wash day routine. Today I am on really crusty hair. I always come on the camera with crusty hair. I am so sorry. Yes, knots are already falling out of my hair. It's just ridiculous. I had my hair in a high puff for way too many days, and this is the aftermath of that. And I gotta stop doing that, honestly. But for sure, we're gonna start this wash day off with soaking wet hair. I'm gonna saturate my hair because God knows I need some water to this hair. I'm gonna start. I just gotta stop wearing my hair in a high puff for too long because it be, girl, the wash days be wash daying and I don't be feeling like it. But today we're gonna do some affordable wash day type of routine. I'm gonna show you what I'm doing in the shower. It's gonna be real yummy. But first, look at this hair. I'm gonna be upset about all of this hair falling out, and the gag is, why am I upset? Because, girl, you don't want to put your hair in that high puff for way too many days. Like, that's your fault. But we're gonna start off. I'm gonna use my Suave daily clarifying shampoo. Y'all, this stuff is a goodie. Like, she is that girl. She can clarify your hair so well. You don't even have to buy the high-end clarifying shampoos because this girl is gonna do the trick. My hair feels so clean after doing this, and honestly, I would use this all the time, but since it is stripping, sometimes I don't need it. But today, your girl needed. I needed to wash my hair. I needed to wash my scalp really, really well, but I also needed to drag it down to the ends. So that is what I'm doing today. I'm starting at the roots, scrubbing my scalp as best as I can, and kind of dragging that product to the ends of my hair just to make sure my whole entire head is clean, because I want a fresh start, a clean slate with this next hairstyle that I'm going to do. And while I was doing that, this shampoo does provide a good enough amount of slip to where I could at least go in and start the process of detangling it. And I'm just kind of separating it piece by piece. I'm not trying to truly run my fingers through it because it's not ready yet. But you see that lint though. I know you see. I see you seeing me see us see together. Yeah. So I'm going to rinse this out, y'all, and make sure you thoroughly rinse this out with some warm water. I mean, hot water if you can. I just couldn't use hot water because if the hot water is on too long, my camera start fogging up. But definitely hot water to make sure all of that gunk is out of your hair. And then next up, we're going with the OG mane and tails. I know you heard about this. I know you've seen this. I know your mama used to use this. And if not, they definitely have this at your local hair store. So definitely give this a try. It has a good size for a good price. And that's what I love about conditioners, because I be going through it. I be using so much conditioner because I truly need it. But yes, with a heavy hand, I'm going in and putting it throughout my hair, making sure I start from my roots and dragging it down to the ends. I want all of my hair saturated with this stuff. Yeah, yes ma'am. I want it all, period. But I'm going through now, and I'm going to try to rake my fingers through it just to help start the detangling process, because I kind of don't really like going straight in with a brush after having my hair in such a puff for a long time. And look at the fallout. Yeah, the hair is clumping out. It's not too bad, but whatever. Do y'all do that? Do y'all put that y'all hair on the wall? I had to think about it. It was like, ugh, girl, get that off. But I don't be wanting it to go down my drain, so that's why I do that. And girl, another one. Like, stop playing with me. But I do. Like I said, I promise y'all, I'm going to stop wearing it in puffs, and I'm going to start like trying to do other styles to make sure that my hair stays moisturized and it doesn't clump up and now I got mats and tangles and stuff like that. And then I'm going to section my hair to further get this conditioner throughout my entire hair. Make sure I can go in and detangle, because after this I want to deep condition, and I don't want to detangle my hair while I'm deep conditioning. So this is the time I like to detangle my hair, is when I have conditioner in it and when I'm able to fully like get the brush from the roots to the ends, period. Like, I gotta make sure I detangle before I put in my deep conditioner, because I don't want I want that deep conditioner to penetrate, okay? And as y'all see, the curls is like waking back up. They popping, they are forming. If y'all have any other affordable products that y'all know and love, please comment them down below, because I definitely want to try more affordable products. The conditioner smells so good, and it's just nostalgic and brings me back so many memories. So I just enjoy using this on my wash days. Like I said, this stuff is affordable. You can find it at Walmart. I'll have everything definitely linked down below for you guys, so you guys can check them out for yourselves. I might even put it in my Amazon storefront if y'all want that. And you could get the link from the Amazon storefront, because I know a lot of y'all like to shop on Amazon like me. This is all of the hair that came out after detangling. And yes, that is a lot. But honestly, this is what I get when I leave it in a ponytail for way too long. And it's fine. It's normal, I think. LOL. But girl, the hair was on swim, so they hate on them. Period. Look at them curls, y'all. Yeah, so now I'm gonna rinse that out. You don't have to fully rinse it out if you don't want to, but I do, because I want my deep conditioner to penetrate. But I mean, conditioner and deep conditioner is like low-key the same thing, right? Do y'all think that? Let me know in the comments, because I kind of think one is they the same. I don't know. But yes, y'all, as y'all can see, my hair already looks really, really good, really, really healthy. And next up, I'm going to use the star of the show, my Soothe and Restore from TreLuxe deep conditioner. Y'all, this deep conditioner is so thick and creamy, and it literally has my hair falling off the bone. Like, it just feels like there was never no tangles in my hair when I put this in. I love to use the deep conditioner on my routine now, because I just find that I'm realizing that this is actually really good for my hair. My hair enjoys it, and I'm going to start implementing deep conditioners all the time for every wash day. I gotta find time to deep condition my hair. And with this deep conditioner, I definitely like to work it all the way through. I don't want to miss not a strand, truly, because this stuff is just magic. Literally, it makes my hair feel like butter. So I'm gonna work that in, and I don't really have to detangle too much, because I've already detangled. So I'm gonna put that up in a ponytail, and you already know what I'm about to say. Definitely about to keep it in my hair for at least 5 to 10 minutes, even 20, as long as you could. The longer the better. And look how I'm looking. I'm about to rinse this out, and I'm about to make sure that I get all of that deep conditioner out of my hair. But when I say my hair feels so amazing, the curls are popping, the hair is so moisturized, and I just enjoy this product so much. So definitely check out TreLuxe, y'all. Their hair products are made with really, really good quality and really, really good ingredients. So if you are looking for products that have really good ingredients that check off all of those boxes, definitely check out TreLuxe. And y'all, look at the curls. My hair looks amazing. I just love the way it looks. It looks so full, so healthy, so clean. Like, yeah, look at the curls. And that is a wash day I like to see. Okay, now my hair is fully ready for a new style, a new week. And then lastly, I'm going in with my Auntie Jackie's Quench. And this is a leave-in. I like to add this step, but this step is totally optional. You do not have to do this if you don't want. But I just been into it. I've been seeing the girlies use a leave-in after doing their wash day, and I'm like, yeah, let me try it. It definitely keeps my hair moisturized, but it also keeps my hair from tangling up and tangle free. It doesn't leave my hair super dry, and I just love that for the next style. So I like to go in and braid them up just to keep the tangles away and keep the hair nice and tamed while I get out the shower and do what I gotta do while I wait for me to pick a style and move on. You know what I mean? So this is a good alternative for if you still got things to do before you can style your hair. Definitely do this. You can put it in a ponytail. You can like do a slick back, whatever you want, but I just prefer 2 little braids. And I like to get my towel and cover it up and like basically let this towel absorb all that extra product from my hair without trying to dry it. And pretty much we good to go to move on to the next style. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and let me know what kind of affordable products y'all use, and also turn on your post notifications. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. I love you. Bye.